Hi, I'm Susan. Today I'm participating in week 50 of the Margarete Miller Collage Challenge. And our prompts for this week is thread or a piece of fabric. And I've got this little piece of fabric that I think I will use like a tab. And I've got my thread and something heavy. I've got this snow globe because snow globes can be heavy. Something from mythology or legend. I got Santa Claus. Something that reminds you of the holidays. I've got these little animals. They are so fascinated with the tree. And growing up, I had dogs, and they just loved Christmas. And my dog Bert used to lay with his head on my stocking. And I have cats now, and they are always just fascinated with the tree. And it's a plant of any color but green, so I've got these poinsettias. And bonus is a book page, and I've got this book page with Silent Night. So I hope everybody's doing great. Without further ado, let's get started. Well, I hope, like I said, that everybody's doing great. I think I'm going to just kind of cut this out. It's Silent Night. I don't know if I'll use the whole bit. We'll just have to see. Let me cut it down anyway, get an idea of where I'm going to put everything. Well, I finally got my tree up. It just seemed like we were having a hard time. Since this isn't really very Christmassy, I'm just going to put down a little bit of scrapbook paper to help camouflage it. And with the other things, I think it will kind of help it come together. So I'm just going to glue this down. Well, I've got a stove coming this week. I'm so excited. It's supposed to be here Tuesday. I hope everything goes well. We've not always had the best of luck with Lowe's. Let's see. But I'm very hopeful. Okay. All right, get this down. And now I need to figure out where I'm going to put everything. I've already inked up all of this. Let's see. I love that picture. Let's see, I'm going to have to probably kind of bring it in. See if I can get it straight. Kind of have it go across. Let's see, do something kind of like that. Something like that maybe. Okay. All right, I like it so far, so I'm going to go ahead and put this down. I am almost finished with book 6 of the Harry Potter series. I'm still working on the book 4 of the D.D. Warren Lisa Gardner books. It's really good. And still watching House. We're in the, I want to say we're in the 3rd or 4th season. I can't remember. But it's really good. So let's kind of stagger that. And let's see, kind of stagger that. And maybe get old Santa down. I know I want him there. That there. And my kitty cats. Oh, I don't think I got that over far enough. Let me bring him to the edge there. It's hard to believe we've only got 2 more weeks after this week of Margarete Miller for this year. This year went by so fast. Okay. All right. Now, add in my poinsettias. I like that. And my little tab, which probably goes somewhere like this. Oop, I forgot to leave a place for my prompts. Okay, and I think I don't have to use both, but I think I want to use some of this, just kind of, I think I'm kind of split it apart. This is not the easiest thread to work with. It's kind of like an embroidery. Go ahead and kind of glue this down. And I'm just going to wrap that around. And I'm going to staple it. I got it in the paper there. Okay. And since I've got cute little dogs and stuff, I think I'll use one of these paper clips to hold my prompt since I forgot to put it down. Okay, I think I'm also gonna put some of this thread underneath my poinsettias. Maybe I could just split that in half. Do the same down here. Just trying to make it look pretty. Not having a stove has put a crimp in my Christmas baking. I haven't had anything on my channel. Although today I am doing a crock pot peanut cluster, which sounds really good. Why my glue wants to be difficult. Okay. I'm just going to put that there. Maybe I can wrap it around. And of course, I need to do some. Oh no, I forgot my book page. After all that, well, I think I'll just do the first stanza and just put it down here at the bottom. Ink that up. Get a little bit more gold. Get a smaller piece and use all of them. Good thing I had that spot. Okay. Go. And now I'm going to add my gold splatters. I'm just going to kind of go around the edge there, just kind of hit it, outline it. see if I can get this. Hold on, let me put it up here. I think that'll be better. I haven't used these paper clips much. There we go. Oh, perfect. Well, I hope y'all enjoyed this video. If you did, please give me a thumbs up. Hit that subscribe button if you haven't. Ring that bell so you can be notified when I upload new content. Leave a comment. Tell me what you think. Y'all take care. I love y'all. I hope you're enjoying this season if you celebrate it. Be sure and check out Margarete Miller's channel, and be sure and check out the hashtag 2023CWP50 to see what everyone else has made this week. Y'all have a great and wonderful week, and until next time, bye y'all.